Hey everyone, today I will show you how to see send follow requests on Instagram. And here's how it is done. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Access settings. At the top of your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines. Select settings and privacy from the menu. Go to Account Center. Tap Account Center at the top of the settings menu. Scroll down and select your information and permissions. Tap Download your information. Choose information to download. Tap Download or transfer information, and then choose some of your information. Scroll down to the Connections section and select All. Tap Next at the bottom of the screen. Set Download Preferences. Specify a date range for the send follow request. Enter your email address for notifications. Use HTML as the file format. Tap Create File. Download the file. After some time, return to the Download Your Information screen. Under Available Downloads, find your request and tap Download. Enter your Instagram password to proceed. Extract the file. Open the file using your browser, and it will be downloaded to your device. Locate the Files app on your phone and find the downloaded zip file. It will start with Instagram and your username. Zip the file to create a folder with the same name. Find Send Follow Request. Open the unzip folder and navigate to the Connections folder. Tap on the file named Pending Follow Request. Here, you will see a list of all your pending follow requests. If there are no requests, the file will indicate it. This process provides you with a comprehensive view of your pending follow requests. That is everything you need to know about how to see send follow requests on Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.